Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to fill out a Google Doc. So here, for example, you want to fill out a form. There is a form that you need to fill, and you can fill it with only with a Google Doc. So you can open the file first, and here we go. A file opened by Docs. So you must save the file in a Google Drive, for example, and here we go. So you need to tap on this pencil icon in order to edit it or fill the form. So here, for example, the item description. So just type like usual, and here we go. This is the unit price. So you can fill the quantity, and this is the total price. And also here you can fill the order date, the order number, and the total due. And here we go. Here you can sign this form with another app. For example, you can find a ton of websites that can sign your document online. And here there is a, if you mess up, you can undo. And also this is the a text format, so you can change the heading, and also this is the font style that you can change, and this is the text size, so you can upsize the text, the text color, and this is the paragraph and line spacing. And here, if you mess up again, you can try to clear formatting. And also here, if you want to add link, just tap plus button, so you can add link, add image, add more table, markups, horizontal line, and put page number and footnote. This function is a comment, so you can leave a comment, but you cannot print the comment, so it's just for online viewing. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.